Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to replenish energy. Energy is located in the bottom left corner of the screen. To replenish it, you can sit on the sofa, for example. As you can see, it slowly increases. You can eat something. Or you can simply go to sleep in your home. It replenishes the energy to full, but it also skips day. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.